In this video, I'll show you how to boost Facebook posts to your target audience step by step. Boosting a post helps you reach more people who are most likely to be interested in your business, products, or content. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Find the page post you want to promote and tap the Boost Post button below it. Next, choose your campaign goal, such as getting more engagement, website visits, messages, or leads. When you reach the audience section, you can select one of Facebook's suggested audiences or create your own custom audience. Define details such as location, age range, gender, interests, and other available targeting options to reach the people most relevant to your content. After that, set your daily or total budget and choose how long you want the promotion to run. Review the ad preview, confirm your payment method, and make sure all of your campaign settings are correct. Finally, tap Boost Now to submit your boosted post for review. Once your promotion is approved, you can monitor its performance in Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager and make changes if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.